12 divided by 12 gives us 1. And again here we have 12 divided by 12. So 1 divided by 1 is just 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. If we do this division before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 12 divided by 12 is just 1. So we have 1 divided by 12 and again divided by 12. Now we have to do this division. 1 divided by 12 can be written as 1 over 12. Then divided by 12. Now, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 1 over 12 times 1 over 12, which equals 1 times 1 gives us 1. So 1 over 12 times 12 equals 144. So we have 1 over 144. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 1 over 144.